What is the best social media marketing strategy that works well in 2020? Without a doubt, using paid advertising with existing customer data and analytics if best. Please let me introduce myself. I am responsive HTML email designer and developer. I am professional email template designer and developer with 7 years experience. I've managed 700 plus clients all over the world. Please contact with me, link in the description below. If you were to advertise on Facebook ads and Instagram, you would want to focus on remarketing and pixel tracking custom audiences. This will allow you to set up new ad campaigns and only target users who are interested in what you have to offer, or are already existing customers. For example, here is what we are focusing our efforts on. Remarketing. This allows us to import our email mailing list and customer data, and show them ads to bring audiences back to our site. Remarketing works extremely well because it can also be delivered through Google AdWords and other third-party platforms as well, in addition to any ads you might be running on social. Pixel tracking, similar to remarketing, but without the email aspect. When someone visits our site, we can then show them an ad that will entice them to come back to the site again. Also, as you continue to increase traffic and your mailing list, you will continue to serve more ads and have more pixel opportunities as well. The benefit to using each of these metrics and methods is that you can continually improve your results and analyze everything in place. This includes 1. Separate ad groups for existing customers. 2. Targeting new visitors to your site. 3. Remarketing to cart abandonment. And much more. Be sure to try out remarketing and pixel tracking if you haven't already. Please write your #Shah in the comments box. I will share secret formula to get customers for your business. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the update fast. Thank you so much for watching this video.